Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a No Limit Drag Racing 2 modded version. This works on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the guide, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It's super cool. So let's get on to the tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to get it. Alright, so let's open up No Limit Drag Racing 2. And as you can see, I'm broke. So let me just show you guys the mod menu here. We can add unlimited golds. So before this downloads, we are going to have to do verification, so let me just show you guys how to do that. So I'm just going to wait for it to max out here, as you can see. So let's see if it goes up, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Alright, so as you can see, it should start working. There we go. So I'm going to show you how to download this mod. So the first thing is go to your browser, and I just want you guys to type this website. So this is the website, guys, where you can download it. So once you're here, guys, just go to the search bar and you just want to type in No Limit Drag Racing. So you're going to find it pretty easily, guys. So just press on it. So before this downloads, it's going to be like a verification. So you just want to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. You know, it's 100% for free from official app stores. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. As you can see, so let's just give it a second. So as you can see, it says almost there, additional files are required. So we just need to download like 2 of these apps. So we got like Family Island, which says reach level 11. And then we've got DraftKings, which says install the app and open it. So yeah, peace out, guys. Just make sure you do 2 of them, and then you're going to get the No Limit Drag Racing 2 modded version. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video, but yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. This is super cool, and it actually works. So yeah, get the word out, guys, and you too can have a modded version of No Limit Drag Racing 2. So yeah, this is super amazing, guys. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out.